Hey, what's up, developers? Welcome back to the Developers Commute. My name is Hitesh Kohli, and today we're going to redesign our app. Previously, I've designed some of the stuff in monochromatic, learning some UI and UX. Let's try to move forward and design with the newer spec. What I've learned overall in the UI design after interacting with other UI designers as well as learning a little bit online, I have made this particular bluish white, not exactly white, cloud white, silk white maybe, yeah. And this blue color is the perfect combination, and I'm following the 60-30-10 rule. 60% is actually white color and 30% is, I think, so blue, and rest 10 is used for the text and overall small things. And other than that, I have made the bottom bar black in color, and so I used a shade of black for the buttons. It's not exactly the same but a little different, and it pops out, and I've changed a little bit of the design as well. As you can see, overall it has improved. I changed this 50% meter. Previously we had this 1500 written here, then I added a meter, then I changed this right here and added a streak counter, and also I added a share button, changed some of the design for the bottom bar, also added a theme collector kind of thing. You'll be able to change the 30% of your theme with the streak you have. Like, for example, if you have a 6 streak, the card you will receive will define a theme, and you can change the theme of your app completely with the help of that card. And I'm trying to design some cards. I was thinking about simple cards, then I switched to some hexagons, and then I thought that maybe the streak wasn't looking that cool. And if you press right here, you will switch to calendar screen, second screen in my bottom layout. Today we're going to redesign all of the screens that are left, and overall the design will remain the same. So for now, I will move forward and redesign this particular screen. Now, what is your name is just an empty blank dialog box in the whole screen. That does not look that great. I will research a little bit about that as well. Let's see how it turns out. I've imported some of the icons and made it a little bit of user friendly. I'm just not, what is your name, blindly asking that thing. And I prefer giving some kind of emoji or something, and that will make your UI a little bit lighter and user friendly. Whites look great, and we have already designed some of it and it looks good, to be honest. If you look into it, I'll try to make some iterations of the design and see which performs better. For now, I have made this positive onboarding. Now, what do you mean by positive onboarding? You can just say positive friction as well. As you can see, this is a splash screen. This is a what is your name screen. What is your weight? What is your height? Well, how active are you? Now, this particular section is just to calculate the BMI and other things that are related to water intake. App will calculate the amount of water that your body will need, and this is the animation which will say the calculating your water intake. The calculation won't be even milliseconds, but the animation will play for a few seconds. Now, why is that? Because user wants the app for them, so we want them to see that app is actually working on something that helps the user. So that's why animation is played, and I think so then this home screen will appear. This home screen will be calculating how much water you drink and stuff. We want to include some notifications, and then this is a streak chart. Now, this streak chart will be dedicated by the second screen, which is a calendar screen. If you're tracking your water daily, it will increase your streak. I've taken this idea from Snapchat, and this particular meter shows that how much is your water intake and how much is left throughout your day. And we have this particularly big share button to share your progress onto social media. Now, that's a very good prompt for any user to share our app as well as share their own journey to have a good water intake. Now, the main aim of this app is to actually increase the water intake habit, not just to induce water intake. We don't want to just track the amount of water. Instead, we want to track and build a habit of water intake. That's what your personal coach means. Now, what I'm thinking about the profile screen is that it should show a user photo, it should show the name, and it should show how many steps or maybe how active they were with the mobile. So I've made this particular weekly report and the calendar screen. It will also show the streak. It should show the streak that you have. And what about the month? Because it's a weekly report. It should also show a grid that represents a month, and it increases depending upon which month you scroll to. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see how we can present it more effectively. So I have just made the calendar screen and added the month section as well as the weekly report section. Let's try to make the account screen and the notification screen. Also try to upgrade these cards, and that's particularly it. Let's see how it goes. So the profile actually looks great, to be honest. I like this kind of design, and it shows some stats of the user. So this is it for now. I've designed my account screen, and I hope you have enjoyed this redesigning of the app. We'll continue designing account screen and all of the different screens. Hopefully it has added some real good value to you guys. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.